Good morning, Derrick Sanderson with Keller Williams Realty here in Chico, California, coming at you for this week's Monday morning market update. So every Monday we take a look at a snapshot of what's going on with single family residential homes here in Chico. If you have any questions about any other segment of the market, whether it's vacant land or mobiles or residential income properties, or even anywhere else for the most part in Butte County, I'm more than happy to get you that information. You can reach out to me right here. This is my cell phone number. Go ahead, give me a call, shoot me a text, or you can message me on whatever platform you are viewing this video. So without further ado, let's jump in for this week's Monday morning market update. Week of Thanksgiving. Hopefully you'll be able to enjoy it with loved ones. So let's jump in and take a look and see what is going on right now in Chico. So currently active on the market, it actually took a little bit of another dip, and it's coming in at 105 active single family residential homes on the market here in Chico, and pendings also dropped a little bit, coming down to 164. So that's what's kind of what it looks like right now for these 105 homes. That average days on market, we're coming in, it's starting to rise every week a little bit more and more. And so it's sitting at 58 average days on market for those active homes. You'll see here in just a minute when we take a step back and look at the last 30 days that the average days on market there is a lot less. Every week I kind of talk about why that is, and so we'll talk about that in just a moment. And then the median list price for these 105 homes is coming in. It took a few $1,000 raise over last week. It's actually coming in at $499,000. Quick note to mention, difference between average and median. The average, you take the sum of all the numbers, you add them all up, and then you divide by the number of homes there are. So an average list price would be these 105 prices, add them all together, divide by 105. The median, you take the least expensive to the most expensive and line them up, and then whatever's right in the middle, that's going to be your price. So that's where that median list price comes in at. We are seeing homes continue to fly off the market under 400,000. So that would make sense why the median list price is a little bit higher for those 105, only because homes under that tend to move pretty quickly off the market. So let's take a little step back and take a look at what's gone on here in the last 7 days here in Chico. 16 new listings. That's a massive dip from last week. 31 under contract. That is also dipped. However, that sold. 37 homes that have sold off the market in the last 7 days. That number has almost doubled from the week previous. So I think we had just a little bit of a lull or a funny little anomaly during last Monday's Monday morning market update. So that's kind of current. That's what's gone on in the last 7 days. Let's take a little bit further step back and take a look at the last 30 days. I got this beautiful photo of the Esplanade here in Chico as our backdrop. 94 homes have sold in the last 30 days. That's up just a little bit. That average days on market, 28. Again, almost double what's currently active on the market. So if your home is priced correctly, it will sell in about 4 weeks. And then that average sold price there coming in at just over $474,000. So that's kind of what's going on in the market right now here in Chico. As always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to throw up here at the end just a little slide with my contact information on it. And in honor of Thanksgiving week. Go ahead and take a look at this quote. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others. I've heard it said, and we will wrap up with this. I've actually heard it said that gratitude or thankfulness should be a daily practice. And so, with that being said, being the week of Thanksgiving, I hope and pray that you can find time to be able to reflect on the things that you're grateful for, the things that you're thankful for, especially in context to the craziness of the year that has been 2020. And